You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words. Is there any difference in the pronunciation? They have different meanings. The top word here is somebody who is generally young, underage, under 18 or 21. The bottom word is somebody who works in a mine. So with an O in the spelling, it's pronounced miner. That's British English, or miner, American English. The bottom word, somebody who works in a mine, is pronounced exactly the same way. So if you've been wondering, those two words are pronounced the same way. They are homophones. Miner, British English in the United Kingdom, in the UK, miner, stress on the first syllable. Bottom word, similar, minor, or in American English, minor. Yes, the Americans do pronounce the R, or they mark it a lot more, minor or minor. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.